All right, viewers, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. First of all, I want you to go to YouTube and search for a channel named Nick Invest. Now, when you open this channel, you'll notice something very interesting. It has around 163K subscribers, but despite that, it's generating an estimated income of 10K per month. Yes, you heard that right. This channel is highly viral, trending, and perfectly optimized for the finance niche. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can create similar viral shorts that have the potential to blow up just like this. Now, once you open the channel, go to the popular section, and here you'll notice something very powerful. All the videos are extremely unique, highly engaging, and niche-focused, targeting real-life scenarios like shopping habits, lifestyle upgrades, buying cars, owning luxury houses, and rich versus fake rich comparisons. But here's the most important thing. Even though the topics feel different, they all fall under one single niche: finance. And that's the secret behind this channel's success. If this creator had randomly switched niches, these videos would never go viral. But because they stayed consistent within one category, the algorithm pushed their content again and again. So what you need to do is watch these videos one by one, analyze their patterns, and understand how they connect lifestyle with finance. All right, viewers, first of all, I have selected a niche, and that niche is finance.
Most people stay broke for one reason. Debt feels easy at first.
You earn more, but you spend more too. Control lifestyle.
Now, I want you to take a proper look at this niche and understand its potential. Okay, viewers, now that you've seen my niche, let's move on to the prompt section. Let me show you something even more powerful. I have created a master prompt for you, which includes a consistent character design prompt, 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, and a complete story structure with hook, build-up, and solution. Everything included, and you can download this master prompt from the YouTube description of my video. Once you download it, simply copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it there, and click on Generate, wait for a few seconds, and boom, you'll get a consistent character, 10 high-quality image prompts, and 10 detailed video prompts all ready to use. Now, if you look at the image prompts, you'll notice they are highly engaging, trend-focused, visually appealing, and designed to go viral. And the video prompts are structured step by step with a strong hook, clear storytelling, and a problem plus solution format, which is exactly what makes content perform. Now let's move to the practical part. Copy your first image prompt and go to Google Whisk AI. This tool is 100% free and perfect for generating images. Once you open it, select Portrait Ratio, 9:16. Because we are making shorts, paste your prompt and click Generate. Now, sometimes the result might not match perfectly, but don't worry, here's the trick. Go back to the YouTube channel, take a screenshot of any video style you like, and upload it in the Style Reference section in Whisk AI, then tell the AI to generate images in this exact style. Paste your prompt again and click Generate, and now you'll see the magic. Your character will be consistent across all images. Now repeat the process by copying the second, third, and fourth prompts and generating them one by one. And within a few minutes, all your images will be ready. Then review all the images carefully. Select the most important and best-looking ones and download them. Because now we are going to convert these images into a video with voiceover. And that's the final step where your content turns into a viral short. So let's move to image to video conversion, adding professional voiceover, and final editing. Let's go. All right, viewers. Now what you need to do is open the website Digen AI. As you already know, this website is absolutely amazing. And the best part is, it is 100% free to use. Yes, I'm not joking. Once you log in for the first time, it provides you with daily credits, which means you can consistently create content without spending any money. This is a huge advantage, especially for beginners who want to start YouTube automation without investment. So make sure you log in and take full advantage of these free daily credits. Now, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video creation section. When you open the platform, you'll see multiple video generation options available, but the one we are going to use is Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. This option is very powerful because it can generate both video and voiceover together, and it only costs around 20 credits per video, which is very efficient. Now what I'm going to do is upload my first image, select it properly, and then go back to the prompt section, copy the relevant prompt, and paste it here. After that, I'll simply click on the Generate button. As soon as the generation starts, you'll notice that it shows an estimated time on the screen. For example, around 4 minutes. This means that within just a few minutes, your image will be converted into a complete video with voiceover. All you need to do is stay patient and wait for the process to complete. And now, as you can see, our first image to video is ready. And honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. The voiceover is clean, the visuals are engaging, and everything is perfectly aligned. It's truly impressive. Now I'll repeat the same process for the second image. I'll upload it, paste a well-optimized prompt, and click on Generate again. This time, you'll notice something interesting. The generation time is reduced to around 2 minutes, which means the system is getting faster. This is actually very good news because it allows you to create content even more quickly. After waiting a little, you can see that the second video is also ready. And once again, the quality is excellent with a smooth voiceover. In the same way, I'll move forward with the third image, upload it, apply the prompt, and generate the video. After a short wait, the third video is also completed. Then I'll repeat the process one more time with another image. And finally, after generating all of them, you can see that all 4 videos are now ready. Each video is highly engaging, perfectly aligned with the finance niche, and follows a strong storytelling format. Most of these videos are around 20 to 25 seconds long, which makes them ideal for shorts and highly viral content. Now what I'll do is download all of these videos one by one. After downloading, we move to the final step, which is editing. For this, open CapCut, and once you're inside, import all your generated videos. After importing, drag them one by one onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct order. Decide which clip should come first, second, and so on. Now, you might notice a Design AI logo on the video, so what you can do is simply crop or zoom in using the scale option to remove that logo cleanly. And just like that, your final video is ready. Now I'll export the video in 4K quality, and as you can see, the final result looks absolutely stunning.
Most people stay broke for one reason. Debt feels easy at first.
You earn more, but you spend more.
No logo, clean visuals, and fully optimized for the finance niche. You can now upload this short on any platform you like, whether it's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, and it has a very high potential to get monetized and go viral. So, viewers, I hope you really liked this new idea and found it valuable. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel because your support means everything to us. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful idea. Till then, goodbye and take care.